Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday inaugurated the Namdong C&Rd block, besides laying foundation for the upgradation of health center to community health center, inaugurated the much-awaited Great Muknang Lumrod water supply scheme and upgradation of Juwai Nartiang Ktiap Khanduli Road. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the demand for a new C&Rd block was a long-time pending demand of this area, while adding that the new block would bring administration closer to the people.
In a lot of areas, our people have to travel for 2 hours, 3 hours to reach to the closest block, because of which the kind of development that they should get, they are not getting. And hence this government has decided that we will take administration closer to the people. We will ensure that we make accessibility even more possible for our people.
The 10th convocation of the National